Hello everyone, I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. In this video, I am going beyond the before and after photos. I will break down the science, risks, costs, and long-term effects of lip fillers, with insights from top dermatologists. Whether you're considering your first syringe or just curious about the hype, this guide will give you the unfiltered truth. Lip fillers have exploded in popularity over the last decade. Thanks to celebrities like Kylie Jenner and social media trends promoting plump, defined lips. But what exactly are they? And are they as safe and simple as influencers make them seem? Section 1. What are lip fillers? Types and how they work. Lip fillers are injectable treatments designed to add volume, shape, and structure to the lips. The most common type uses hyaluronic acid, HA, a natural substance in our skin that attracts water for a hydrated, plump look. Brands like Juvederm, Restylane, and Bellotero are popular choices because they're temporary, lasting 6 to 18 months, and reversible. There are also semi-permanent options, like Sculptra, which stimulate collagen over time, and fat transfers, where your own body fat is injected for longer-lasting results. However, HA fillers remain the gold standard because they offer natural-looking volume with minimal downtime. According to Dr. Shireen Idris, board-certified dermatologist, not all fillers are the same. Hyaluronic acid fillers are safest because they can be dissolved if something goes wrong. Permanent fillers or silicone? Avoid them, they can cause irreversible damage. Section 2. The science behind lip fillers, how they plump and reshape lips. Hyaluronic acid works by binding to water molecules, creating a soft, gel-like fullness in the lips. But it's not just about adding volume. Skilled injectors focus on balancing proportions. When injected, it integrates with your natural tissues, giving a smooth, not lumpy, result. For example, thin lips may need vertical height, more structure in the center. Uneven lips might require asymmetry correction. Aging lips, which lose collagen, benefit from subtle reflation rather than overfilling. A 2022 study in JAMA Dermatology found that 80% of patients were happy with their results when they chose an experienced injector. However, overfilling can stretch the lip tissue permanently, leading to a sausage lip effect. Dermatologist warning: according to a New York dermatologist, your lips have muscles, blood vessels, and delicate nerves. An injector who doesn't understand anatomy can cause serious damage, like blocking blood flow. Section 3. The lip filler procedure, step-by-step breakdown. If you're considering lip fillers, here's what to expect. 1. Consultation. A good injector will assess your lip shape, facial symmetry, and goals. They should never pressure you into more filler than you need. 2. Numbing. Most clinics apply a numbing cream, like lidocaine, to minimize discomfort. Some fillers also contain built-in anesthetic. 3. Injection process. The injector uses tiny needles or cannulas to place the filler in precise areas, vermilion border, to define the lip outline. Cupid's bow, for a lifted, youthful look. Lip body, for volume. The whole process takes 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how much is injected. 4. Immediate aftermath. Your lips will look swollen, possibly bruised. This is normal. Final results settle in 1 to 2 weeks. According to a cosmetic dermatologist, ask to see your injectors before/after portfolio. If every patient has the same overfilled look, find someone else. Section 4. Risks and side effects, the truth most clinics won't tell you. Lip fillers are generally safe, but they're not risk-free. Here's what you need to know before committing. Common side effects, temporary but annoying. Swelling, peaks at 24 to 48 hours, subsides in a week. Bruising, can last 7 to 14 days, arnica gel helps. Lumps, usually smooth out with gentle massage. Serious risks, rare but dangerous. Vascular occlusion, when filler blocks a blood vessel, cutting off oxygen to the tissue. Signs, extreme pain, white/bluish discoloration, mottled skin. Solution, hyaluronidase, filler dissolver, must be injected immediately to prevent necrosis, tissue death. Infection, if non-sterile tools are used, bacteria can enter. Signs, redness, pus, fever. Solution, antibiotics and possible filler removal. Migration, filler spreads outside the lip border, creating a duck lip or mustache effect. Cause, overfilling, poor injection technique, or thin lip skin. Solution: dissolving and re-injecting with a more skilled provider. According to Dr. Lara Devgan, plastic surgeon, if your injector doesn't have hyaluronidase on hand, walk out. Vascular occlusion is an emergency, every minute counts. Section 5. Before and after care, how to get the best results pre-treatment prep. 48 hours before, avoid alcohol, aspirin, and ibuprofen, they increase bruising. 24 hours before, skip intense workouts, they boost blood flow, raising bruising risk. Day of, arrive with clean skin, no makeup on lips. Post-treatment care. First 24 hours, ice, 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, to reduce swelling. Sleep on your back to prevent uneven settling. Avoid straws, smoking, and excessive talking, minimizes movement. Days 2 to 7, gentle massage, if lumps form. Hydrate, HA fillers bind to water, dry lips equals less plumpness. Avoid sun exposure, UV rays break down filler faster. Section 6. Cost and maintenance, is it worth the investment? Pricing breakdown. 1 syringe, 1 milliliter, 600 to 1,500 milliliters. Most people need 0.5 milliliters for subtle enhancement. Touch-ups, every 9 to 18 months, HA fillers dissolve naturally. Section 7. Dermatologist Roundtable, debunking common myths. We asked top cosmetic doctors to set the record straight. Myth: lip fillers always look fake. Reality: bad fillers look fake. A skilled injector enhances your natural shape, not gives you trout pout. Myth: you can dissolve filler anytime if you don't like it. Reality: hyaluronidase works, but it's not perfect, some filler may remain, and dissolving too much can leave skin saggy. Myth: you need a filler refresh every 6 months. Reality: overfilling leads to filler fatigue, stretched skin that never bounces back. Less is more. Section 8. Alternatives to lip fillers, non-invasive options. If you're not ready for injections, consider lip flip, Botox, relaxes the muscle above the lip for a subtle pout, 200 to 400. Topical plumpers, temporary tingling effect, e.g., Too Faced lip injection gloss. Microneedling plus PRP, boosts collagen over time for natural fullness. According to Dr. Whitney Bowe, cosmetic dermatologist, if you want long-term results without filler, a lip flip plus hydrating skincare is a great start. Section 9. Choosing your injector, safety first. Not all lip filler providers are equal. For natural, safe results, only trust board-certified dermatologists or plastic surgeons. They understand facial anatomy best. Avoid med spas with no doctor supervision. Unqualified injectors cause most botched jobs. Ask key questions. How many lip filler procedures have you done? 100 plus is ideal. What's your plan if a blood vessel gets blocked? Must have hyaluronidase ready. Section 10. Long-term effects, the truth. While fillers aren't permanent, repeated treatments change your lips over time. Good effects, some fillers stimulate collagen for lasting subtle plumpness. Strategic filler can improve natural lip shape. Bad effects. Migration, filler spreads beyond lips, causing a blurred look. Stretched skin, overfilling makes lips sag when filler dissolves. Scar tissue, can form lumps that don't go away. According to Dr. Paul Jared Frank, after 5+ years of overfilling, your lips may never return to their original shape. 11. Final verdict, should you get lip fillers? Advantages: enhances natural shape. Reversible, unlike implants. Minimal downtime. Disadvantages: expensive over time. Risks if done incorrectly. Overfilling leads to unnatural results. Last word. According to Dr. Doris Day, dermatologist, your lips should look like the best version of you, not a filtered trend. If this guide helped you, like, share and subscribe for more honest beauty breakdowns. Comment below, would you try lip fillers? Thanks for watching.